welcome again to my channel. It's your girl Style by EJ. How you guys doing? So guys, if you just see my face for the very first time, hi, this is Style by EJ. I focus on content around fashion, beauty, and of course lifestyle. Yes, and I'm right now getting into vlogs. And if you're returning, thank you so much for always returning. Okay, so today's video is a 3-in-1 get ready with me. I just went down and slicked my hair. That was a whole process that I did not want to bore you guys with. I'm not the best at slicking down my hair, okay, but I'll show you the process of attaching the extension on the hair. I'll get on with my makeup and of course my clothes, okay, and I'll show you the final look. Hope you guys enjoy this, okay. Watch out for the reveal, all right?
Away, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
So starting off with my makeup, I'm using my tested and trusted Huda Beauty. Like, I've been using this thing for way over 3 years right now. Like, if it's not broken, why fix it? So I just love the fact that it does the job for me. I keep refilling this bottle. This is me just having my foundation done, and here I'm attempting to draw my brows, and I'm using my camera as my mirror, so it was a huge struggle for me. Okay, I am not going to be showing you or telling you all the names of the products I'm using. I'm not a professional makeup artist, though I'm in makeup school right now, okay, but I'm still an amateur in my opinion. I've seen, like, well, I'm still an amateur anyway. That's what I would say. So here I am just drawing my brows, but it eventually came out really good. And this day, it was a Sunday, I did not go to physical church, so I worshipped online. And in days where I worship online, I worship with Lakewood Church in Houston, Texas. That's Pastor Joel Austin. So that's what I was actually listening to while I was actually doing my makeup. It's always very refreshing tuning into Lakewood Church, okay? So here I am just, cleaning my brows. You can see, oh man, I try you. You can actually see how nice it's coming together. Wearing my concealer per usual because I've got so many dark spots on my face. I kind of have an allergy. I don't know what it is, but I've been breaking out so bad. So it's very important that I conceal all those, dark spots and all of those things right now.
There's so much anticipation in our house. Like every night we're watching Christmas movies. Our Christmas tree is up. And the other night we're in our family room and we're watching a movie together. We're hanging out, we're laughing, we're talking about Christmas, things we want to do. And all of a sudden, Denver disappeared.
So guys, so what do you guys have in stock for Christmas? Any plans? You feel like, the Christmas is just Christmasing, as they say? Because right now where I live, in my house, I don't have any single decorations, not even a Christmas tree at all. I'm really not bothered at all. Okay, so what are you guys up to? Do you have any plans for Christmas? Like, leave it in the comment section. Let me know what plans you have. Would you be exchanging gifts with family? Would you be exchanging gifts with friends? Personally, I have my friends and I will be doing the Secret Santa. So on Christmas Day, one of us will be hosting, so we'll be at her house on that day. I'm actually looking forward to it because it's always a time. We do it every year. It's a tradition we just cultivated. So I'm actually looking forward to seeing who picks me and what gift I'll be getting. It's just the the thought behind the gift, not necessarily the gift itself, but the thought behind the gift. Now, time to wear my falses. Well, to an extent, I've practiced wearing falses for the most part, so it's really not so difficult for me wearing falses these days, okay? Because falses just has a way of just like elevating the look completely. Like, see this fine babe now. Look at this now. Hey, just one eye I have done. Oh, look at how nice I already look. I know fine. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this makeup. Just putting the finishing touches. I'm doing the bronzing right now. I use the Sephora bronzer. I love that bronzer so well. Look at me feeling myself. I think at this point, I was listening to the news. At this point, I was listening to Ashake. It has to be one of them. And here I am using the most famous or tested and trusted MAC lip liner in brown. Okay, I wanted like a nude lip, and I'm just going over the liner with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, I just wanted something really not too much. I'm not like a full. I'm not doing a full glam makeup. I just wanted something subtle that will suit my beautiful face. Okay, here I am feeling myself, smiling at myself, probably dancing. Okay, Now to the fun part is the hair part. I'm using this Mali hair that I got from the beauty supply. I think it was under $5, pretty inexpensive. Like I mentioned earlier, I had slicked down my hair, so that's why I wrapped it up with a scarf so the edges and everything can lay properly. And I'm just fluffing the Mali hair, together so I can attach. What I did is that I attached a scrunchie in the middle. So with the scrunchie, I would attach it to my natural hair. I love the natural feel this actually gives me. Like, it's just so beautiful. I really enjoyed it. And I want to carry my natural hair for, I think, maybe till January, end of January, before probably I get it braided or get it cornrowed so I can start wearing my wigs again. So that is what I was actually doing right here. Okay, I'll just leave you to watch. So let's go back to the gist. What plans do you guys have for Christmas? I'm really excited to know. Do you have any family traditions that you keep? Do you have anything fun? Are you traveling out of state? Are you traveling out of the country? Let me know. Let us know. Let's know. Oh yeah. Oh my god, look at my hair. I'm super excited how it came out because I had not slicked down my hair in a very long time. So this for me is an A plus. A plus plus. Yes, guys. Okay, now, so wearing the extension, it was as easy as, I think this was done under a minute or under 2 minutes. Look at the back. I'm just showing you the back, how it is. I was so excited. I was excited with the finished look. Like, it looks so good. So before I got dressed, after I finished getting dressed, I had to film, I think, a reel and 2 YouTube videos. I mean, this one I'm currently doing the voiceover for, and another, I think that was an Amazon haul that I filmed. So in fact, today was so packed for me. It was super packed for me. Okay, so yes, that's what I did was I took a strand of the Mali hair and I wrapped it around so it can cover like my own natural hair on top. Then I used the bobby pin to clip it in so it's all secured. Okay, look at me now. Oh more, see fine babe. See feeling myself. See me feeling myself. It's looking like my own hair is like now long. You're an extension of Mali hair. Tested and trusted, like I said. There's a mirror right there, so I was just looking at the mirror, I had to ensure that everything was in the right spot. How did I do, guys? Rate me 1 to 10 in the comment section. Let me know how I did. 1 with my makeup, 2 with his hair. Fine girl. Fine girl. Now I was dancing to Ashake, definitely. I was dancing to Ashake. Look at me now. Hey, give them. Oh, when I want to film myself, I just put Ashake and I'll be good. Okay, let's move on to the dressing part. Okay, this is the fun part that I like. I picked up those shoes from Amazon and I picked up this dress from Amazon. I wanted to do a monochrome look, guys. This look for me is a 10 over 10. Orange on melanin skin, like, is a match made in heaven. Like, it's so beautiful. And the type of clothes that actually suit me are like form-fitted dresses like this. That's exactly what I was, I tried it on. I was just looking at myself, trying to adjust it to ensure, it looked really good. Okay, now time to wear my earrings. Earrings from Shein. I love Shein earrings. They're really nice and pretty inexpensive. I got that for like maybe $2.50. Really, really nice. Okay, just wearing my earring. Now was confused on the purse to carry, either the silver one or the gold one. The silver was from Amazon, the gold one was from Nordstrom or Saks Fifth Avenue, I'm not sure, but I wanted something more playful, so I went for the silver one. Now time for the fragrance. I'm using this Tom Ford, I don't remember the name. I'll put the name on the screen. I just got that actually. That was a gift from me to me on my birthday. See, this perfume smells heavenly. It smells amazing. Now here is the final look, guys. So tell me how I looked from a scale of 1 to 10. Rate my makeup, my hair, and my complete outfit. So guys, let me know if you want to see videos like this. Okay, so like this is a final look. Don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe. See you in my next one, guys. Bye.